Construction of tangents to a circle. What do you mean by the tangent? It's a line that touches the circle only at one point. Here, actually what we are going to draw is tangents from an external point. So, how many tangents can be drawn from an external point? How many tangents can be drawn from an external point? 2 tangents can be drawn. So, that is what we are going to do now. The exercise 11.2 first question. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to the circle. So, what you have to do first is draw or construct a circle of radius 6 centimeter. I am not taking 6 centimeter because if I take it will be too large because the radius is 6 centimeter. So, I am just drawing a circle and the radius should be 6 centimeter. This is the center. Then from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, you have to take 10 centimeter into your compasses. I am not taking the correct measurement. I have taken this as 6. So, what we need is 10. From a point 10 centimeter away from, this is 3, actually radius is 6. So, this is 6 centimeter, then 4 more we need. So, just draw an arc like this and join these two. Mark this as 10 centimeter. So, from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct a pair of tangents. I am marking this as O and this as P. So, from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, you have to construct the tangents from this point P. For that, what we have to do is, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Take more than half of OP and draw 2 arcs from O and 2 arcs from P also. And mark these 2 points. Join this. Actually, this is the midpoint which you can mark as M. Then what you have to do is take M as the center, OP or OQ as a radius. Draw a circle. OP or OQ as a radius, draw a circle. So, these 2 circles intersect at the points, these 2 points which we can mark as A and B. Then join PA and PB. Join PA and PB. These 2 are the required tangents. I'll explain this once again. The question is, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. First, you have to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Then, from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, this is the center of the first circle. So, from a point 10 centimeter away from O, you have to mark a point P here. From that point, you have to draw the tangents. So, for that, what we did first is, we have bisected or we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of OP and we have marked the midpoint as M. Then take M as the center and OP as a radius, draw a circle. These 2 circles intersect at the points A and B. Then join PA and PB. These 2 are the required tangents. So, PA, the length PA should be equal to PB because tangents from an external point are equal in length. You can measure it. Next question. Exercise 11.2, second question. Construct a tangent to a circle. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. Measure its length. So the question is, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So we need a circle of radius 4 centimeter. This is the center O. Then from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. This I have taken as 4. We need a circle, concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. What do you mean by concentric circles? Circles with the same center. So we have drawn a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. So what do you have to do? Construct a tangent to this circle from a point on this circle. So we have to mark a point here, which you can join these two and mark it as OP. So we have to draw the tangent from this point. So clearly we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector of OP. Mark these points. Join these two. So take this as the center. Draw a circle. M as the center, OM or MP as a radius, draw a circle. So these two intersect each other at this point. We have to draw from P to this circle. So join, and we can mark it as A and B. Join AP and PB. Join AP and PB. These are the two tangents. So what we have done, we have to write the steps of construction. So first we have drawn a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Then we have drawn a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. Then we have marked a point P on that, and we have joined O and P, drawn the perpendicular bisector of OP, and after that we have marked M as the center or the midpoint. Then taking M as the center and MP as the radius, we have drawn a circle. Then these two circles intersect at the point A and B. Join AP and BP. These two are the required tangents.